In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to install the HBO Max app on your iPhone. Now, just like any app, you just want to go over to your settings. You want to go over to the App Store, and then you just want to type in HBO Max, hit search, and the options will come up. And you just want to hit the button Get, and then it'll ask you to verify your ID, and you just double click to install, and it processes the payment. Now, it's a free download. Don't worry about if it's going to charge you to download it. And then once that is downloaded, you can either hit the open button here, or you can come out of the App Store and just click on the actual icon wherever it may be. So it popped up right here. Then it loads up. It says Max and all these things. And then pretty quickly, it'll ask you to either sign in if you already have an account, or to subscribe now and make an account and pick a plan. And then from that point, you can just start streaming on your phone. So I hope this helped, and I hope you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.